Hi friends, and welcome. Today I wanted to discuss a little something I've been seeing on TikTok. It's a viral cleaning hack, a dusting solution, if you will, made out of laundry detergent or laundry softener. And I wanted to show you guys an alternative because softener and detergents are highly toxic. If you have pets or babies crawling around, or if you yourself are concerned about your environmental health or sustainability, this is a video for you. It's a very simple recipe. In fact, I wanted to disclose to you real quick, I made a video about why I was so moved to discuss why I would use the alternative. So if you like, pop on over to that one and check it out. Otherwise, I'm going to show you how to make the quick recipe here and also link the ingredients straight in the description box so you don't even have to listen to me. I don't have a funnel, so I'm going to be pouring everything into this pot as it has a spout, and I can easily get this solution into this bottle. So you want to begin with 1 cup of water. Yeah. 1/4 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can eyeball it. You're not going to kill anything if you get it a little off, but since I have the spoon there, I'll go for it. The essential oils that can be utilized in here are lemon, grapefruit, or even tea tree. I can't say that essential oils kill, treat, or really do anything ailment-wise without getting in trouble. So I'll just say germs really don't like it. And I'll put some links to some educational videos and recipes that I think you guys will love. You want to do 10 to 15 drops. This is lemon essential oil. It smells delicious, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and a couple for extra measure. Okay, stir that up, give a little stir. I really want to shake it, but I won't. You want to make sure that the plastic bottle you are utilizing has the number 2 in the little triangle on the bottom so that your vinegar and essential oils do not eat through it. Vinegar is very corrosive. If you can, find a glass bottle, it's even better. But for now, we'll use this. If you're wondering why that Castile soap is on the table, I just left it there to remind myself to mention it to you that a lot of people do prefer adding 2 drops of it into the solution. However, I feel like anything soapy based like that might add to residue, and that's kind of what we're trying to defeat. We're trying to keep our house nice and clean while repelling the dust. This is excellent for wood surfaces as well as the baseboards. If you wanted to mop with it, just double your ratio. Instead of using 1 to 1/4, you would just do 1 to 1. So 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and use your discretion on the amount of essential oil. I would put 4 spoons of oil to the mopping solution. Any hoots? Really? Watch it hit that lens. That would be terrible. Watch me slip and bust my ass. That would be hilarious. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the other video if you're interested in seeing the why. It talks about what's in your detergents and why you might not want to be rubbing it all over your living quarters. Also guys, just a heads up, there are other things that can be utilized in your toilet to keep it clean instead of the Fabuloso bottle, but that's a whole nother subject for another time. So anyway, that's it. Hope you got something out of this, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Have a good evening. It is 1 a.m. I've been doing this all day, trying to learn this thing all day. So A for effort. Okay, take care. Bye.